Can I go a whole day without getting angry? Think about it. How often do you find yourself blowing up at someone or something, only to regret it afterwards? We've all been there. Anger is a natural emotion. It's like a fire that burns inside us. But when that fire gets out of control, it can destroy everything in its path. The problem is, most of us weren't taught how to manage our anger in a healthy way. We just kind of deal with it. And that's not good enough, because unmanaged anger can ruin relationships, damage our health, and even affect our jobs. So, what makes us angry? Well, there are a lot of things, but some common ones are when our expectations aren't met, or when we feel like we've been treated unfairly. Frustration is another big one, like when you're stuck in traffic, or when technology just won't cooperate. And then there are personal attacks, when someone says something hurtful or criticizes us. These things trigger anger because they threaten our sense of control, or our sense of self-worth. So, how can we manage our anger? One strategy is to identify our triggers, what gets us angry, and why. Once we know what our triggers are, we can start working on ways to cope with them. Mindfulness is a big help, being present in the moment, and observing our thoughts and feelings without judgment. Communication techniques are also important, learning how to express ourselves clearly and assertively, without being aggressive. By understanding what triggers our anger, and by learning some simple coping mechanisms, we can start to take control of our emotions. We can learn to recognize the signs of anger, and take a step back before it's too late. We can practice reframing negative thoughts, and focus on finding solutions rather than getting stuck on the problem. And we can develop healthier relationships, and improve our overall well-being. So, to sum it up, anger is a normal emotion, but it's not normal to let it control us. By understanding our triggers, and applying some simple coping mechanisms, we can regain control and improve our lives. If you've got any tips or strategies for managing anger, share them with us in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and subscribe for more content on emotional intelligence psychology.